Welcome to Peace of Mind, your sanctuary for inner calm and reflection. Today, we're diving deep into the 9 essential qualities that make someone truly irreplaceable in your life. These aren't superficial things like looks or money, but the core attributes that define a meaningful connection. We're talking about the real deal, the stuff that matters when the lights go down and it's just you two, sharing your most intimate moments. If you find a person with these traits, hold on to them tightly and cherish every moment. So, grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's embark on this journey to discover the 9 qualities that make someone a true keeper in your life. Kindness. It's more than just good manners, it's a light that shines from within, illuminating the world around us. A keeper has a heart overflowing with compassion and empathy, always ready to lend a hand. Whether it's a small act of consideration or going above and beyond for someone in need, their kindness is genuine and heartfelt. It's the kind of kindness that inspires you to be better. It's magnetic, it's unforgettable, it's pure gold. This kindness creates ripples, touching lives in ways we may never fully understand. Loyalty. It's the bedrock of any strong relationship, the unwavering promise to stand by each other. A keeper offers loyalty that runs bone deep. Loyalty like this is rare, it's precious, and it's a quality you should never take for granted. Honesty. It's the cornerstone of any meaningful connection. A keeper understands that truthfulness is paramount. They speak from the heart, even when it's difficult. They'd rather have an uncomfortable conversation than let a lie fester. That's the kind of person you can truly depend on. Respect. It's the lifeblood of a healthy relationship. A keeper understands that mutual respect is non-negotiable. They value your opinions, even when they differ from their own. They cherish you for the unique individual you are. That's the beauty of true respect. Supportiveness. It's the wind beneath your wings, the unwavering belief in your potential. A keeper is your biggest cheerleader, your constant source of encouragement. They believe in your dreams, even when you doubt yourself. Their support isn't conditional, it's a constant presence in your life. And that's a truly remarkable gift. A sense of humor is a beautiful thing. It's the sunshine on a cloudy day, the ability to find joy and laughter even in the midst of challenges, no matter how tough life gets. A keeper has a laugh that's contagious, a spirit that's light and carefree, spreading happiness wherever they go. It's about sharing a special kind of connection, a lightness of being that makes life sweeter, more meaningful, and full of love. It's about finding joy in the simplest things, together, creating memories that last a lifetime and cherishing every moment. Patience. It's the calm in the storm, the understanding that life is a marathon, not a sprint. A keeper has the patience of a saint. They know that relationships take work. They require understanding and compromise. They're willing to work through challenges, to communicate openly and honestly. They're in it for the long haul, and that's a rare and beautiful thing. Dependability. It's the anchor in the storm, the reassuring presence you can always count on. A keeper is as solid as a rock. They keep their promises, big or small. You know you can rely on them, no matter what. They're the person you call in the middle of the night, the one who always picks up. Generosity. It's the overflow of a loving heart, the willingness to give without expecting anything in return. A keeper is generous with their time, their love, their resources. They find joy in giving, in making others happy. Their generosity isn't about grand gestures, it's about the everyday acts of kindness. They give freely, without hesitation, because that's just who they are. Outro. True connection. So there you have it, the 9 qualities of a keeper. These are the people who enrich our lives, who make the journey worthwhile. If you're lucky enough to have someone like this in your life, cherish them. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Peace of Mind for more inspiring content.